for you to do at home before you use your ingredients, because a lot of people are rushing and doing things and not doing it the right and proper way. So I'm going to be giving you a little bit of tips of most time what I normally do when I'm at home. And this ingredients is for you to list it down in your brain and use it in the summer. All right, grab yourself about half teaspoon of baking soda. All right, you can get baking soda for buying in your local shop or your supermarket, and dissolve that into the water. Some people use apple cider vinegar to wash them ingredients. Craig, big up yourself. Thank you so much for the support. All right, some people use apple cider vinegar and also vinegar to wash them ingredients. Yes, Rose, big up yourself. It's important to wash your ingredients to move any parasite, which is not gonna good for your stomach. You know what I mean? You just go to the toilet and you sit there for half an hour wondering what's going on. Go to the doctor then don't know what's going on because of what you're eating. All right? So basically, we're gonna make sure check these raspberry, if anything inside of it running up and down, and you just put them straight inside of it like this. All right? It's important to make sure you're washing your ingredients before you even use it. All right, don't bother play like you think you're a iron or you're a robot. Wash your ingredients. Okay, very, very important. I know the reason why I'm saying that, guys, because sometimes you see some things that you have to wonder, go on. All right, yeah man, you have to wash the ingredients. Some of them are not really 100% up to date, but yeah. Now we're gonna step into the blueberry. All right, make sure blueberry pretty good. All right, that's what I'm talking about. I'm on the blueberry, them nice and good to go. But you see this one I'm gonna make, you can drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, guys, 100%. So if you have all these ingredients at home, just go in our kitchen and just make this one. Super food. This is a super food. Definitely. Wow, that looking good. Then dissolve that into the baking soda water for a few minutes to move any parasite, you know what I mean, anything that might touch on it, feel tight and all them stuff there. You know what I mean, kill any germs and bacteria growing. Just get rid of it. Good vibes. Yeah. All right. Nice one. Yeah. Today, Friday, we could have make some red pea soup, but that now go on today. A different mission we have today. The mission is something healthy. Gonna be using a naughty blender. All right, this is a naughty blender, guys. That's the one I'm gonna be using. First of all, I'm going to get a nice pieces of ginger. All right, yeah man, nice piece of ginger into the blender. Here it is, nice little piece of a ginger straight into the blender like this. All right, once you put the ginger in it, this is Chef Ricardo recipe. We're gonna get half a key lime, or you can use lemon. It's up to you what makes you happy at home, either key lime or lemon. So I'm gonna squeeze that inside of it just like this. All right, perfect. That is 100% perfect. Now I'm gonna get one of my secret recipes, which gonna make it different and what's gonna make it healthy and also very good for you for this summer for breakfast. All right, this is something you want to take on in the morning. All right, you see this thing right here, this is garlic, very powerful for you guys to use in a regular smoothie. All right, it's very good in a smoothie, guys. Put a clove of garlic inside of it and make sure that blend out inside of it also. So a powerful ingredients. Yeah, good now. All right, now we're going to wash off all of these ingredients. So you want to make sure you leave it in the baking soda water for at least 10 minutes. All right, before you even use it. All right. Yeah, and as I said before, you can use apple cider vinegar or white vinegar to wash them. In the meantime, purchase yourself a book and support Chef Ricardo Cooking. We're on a journey with the book and you will have to complete it 100%. So let's get my strainer and wash off these ingredients. Yeah, man. These are some beautiful stuff to do at home in the summer, guys. While I teach them in the summer, I don't have anything to do. Make sure you let them out for your husband and don't get too comfortable at home. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright, excellent. So you want to make sure you wash them off very good from the baking soda. That's the key thing right there. Alright, here them is. That looking nice, isn't it? Okay. So basically we have half a key lime, piece of a ginger, 1 clove of garlic. We're going to make a powerful medication right here. Alright? We're not going into the medical box today. We are stay away from the medical box today. So we're gonna put these ingredients straight into it like this. Excellent. All right, guys. We're not gonna be using too much ingredients neither. We're just gonna keep it simple because a lot of people can't get things to buy nowadays, you know, because food crisis is coming in. So now people here on yourself. We're gonna have probably a farm right now in the world. People here on yourself. All right. Let's get the. All right, I may have to go in the medical box. In the medical box, I got a few ingredients. Coconut water. All right, let me see this one. Never used that one before, you know, guys. All right, let me see this one. Okay, it's a vitamin C. Low in cholesterol, 0 fat. All right, we're gonna be using this one, guys. Here it is, some coconut water. I think it said organic. I could sure it said organic somewhere upon it. All right, so I'm gonna use this one inside of it. All right, I think it got a little bit of different mixture in it too. All right, coconut water. That's what I'm gonna be using. You don't have to use coconut water, to be honest with you. You can use normal water or you can use coconut water. You can use whatever makes you happy at home if you're not allergic to it. Now, my message to all of the people who are on medication, make sure you check with your doctor and seek medical advice because this is, you know what I mean, we got garlic, we got ginger inside of it and we got lemon mix up inside of it. So it's important to seek medical professional. All right, excellent. That's how it look, guys. So we're going to make some noise. In the meantime, grab yourself a copy of the book and support Chef Ricardo Cooking. All right. Let's blend up this now. Excellent. All right. Yeah, man. This is how it look right here. open up it. Oh, what happened? It doesn't want to open up. Oh yeah. All right. Now I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. The garlic is very strong in it. So if you're allergic to garlic, you don't have to use the garlic, okay? You can drink it without the garlic, but the garlic makes the difference in the smoothie. All right. All of those seeds and all of those bits and pieces from the raspberry and the blueberry, and we have the garlic inside of it. You know what? Exactly how that's gonna work in your immune system. Okay, I have to tell you, very powerful drink for you guys to make at home. Yeah, all right. That is amazing, guys. 100%. That looking good.